Alright guys, the grass has had time to die out, and I was really tired that last time. I took a whack at getting those grass out right here. Didn't do too much work, but yeah, we did a little bit, and we made some plans, took some measurements, and surveyed the area, and we are ready to get back agroforesting. So, I recently learned you don't have to pull out all the grass. What we can do is, since we're going to plant grass over here anyways, we're just going to cover everything with cardboard and then mulch, and there's not a reason to pull out all the rest of the grass. Before there was, because we had to fill up this and we had to expose all the ground here, because today we're going to be working the ground. You can't mulch out this place if it's not going to be flat. So today we're going to work on tearing this small hill down, and we're going to try to basically level the entire area and move most of the rocks into the hole. We do not want them here, because that's right where all of our precious mango trees and jabuticaba and all that stuff is going to be. And also right here, this is probably the worst of the grass, and these will grow back, so I'm going to try and dig those out, and we're going to put a bunch of new grass here, and that's where Leo's going to go to the bathroom, since he just goes right there in the hole because there is grass there. We're going to train him to go right here. That'll be his spot. He can run around here, but don't want him messing up all the trees and stuff. And one more thing, we are hopefully, I don't know 100% for sure, but I know that we can get a jackfruit in here, and that we can successfully grow it here in California. And it's going to go right here, I think, if we want. Probably right where this post is, because there's a bunch of space here in between it and the banana. We're going to clear all that out, and there will be a bunch of space in between it and the star fruit and the mango, which we're going to need a lot of space. So this is the best spot to put it, which means we are going to have to make the fence like wrap around here, which shouldn't be too hard. All this will just burn and use for other stuff. And yeah, there's the plants. We need to get them mulched quickly, but yeah, let's get to work. Okay, so working on that clay mound right there, realized that the dirt was basically rock, wasting a ton of energy trying to just bust it out. So we're gonna soak it up and work on the other sides while we wait. And it's done. The whole backyard has been dug up. Now all we got is dirt right there and a bunch of pesky roots that we'll have to cover up. Swept the patio a bit. Didn't wash it down. It's gonna be dirty for a while until we get everything planted in here and all done. But once that's done, I would like to clean this all out and get my blacksmith shop. Basically the only thing on here aside from the barbecue, maybe even a pool pond over there, who knows. But we did it in about 2 days. We filled up this pond and cleared everything out, and now it's leveled to some extent. Down here, not as tall. It's a bit bigger right here in the middle, and then it sinks down over there. That's okay. We're gonna as quickly as possible cover this with first cardboard all over it, and then mulch. And I think we're gonna try and do that tomorrow or the next day if possible. I gotta water the garden for now, but so we'll be building a nicer fence soon, like an enclosure type fence. It's gonna be see-through. It's a nice tree. And then we'll cover all this up. We'll mulch out that too. We're just gonna mulch everything, cardboard over here, and I'm gonna save a little space, thin out, because we're gonna dig our 2 trenches, which will fill up with the fertile soil. Each plant requires very different things so that it will thrive, you know, and flourish. So I'll be doing a lot of research tonight on how exactly we're gonna do this, and I'll be planning and stuff. Right here, there's still a bit of weeds, but once we cover it up with cardboard and the mulch, that'll all be cleared up. But anyways, guys, yeah, thanks for watching this, and we're gonna continue to work on this farm a lot. I promise I will not change ideas unless I find something I would way rather make, but right now, I've never done this before. I've already built 2 ponds, so don't need to build any more ponds. We'll probably do one back there next year anyways. But yeah, thanks for watching this, and in the next video, I don't know, we'll maybe work on the garden some more.